Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to my new video. And in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step method on how to start publishing books on Amazon Kindle. For those who are not familiar with Amazon Kindle, Amazon is a website where people upload different products, and they have a particular section called Amazon Kindle. On Amazon Kindle you can publish your ebooks, paperback, hardcover books, journals, cookbooks, make money online books, relationship books, just name it. And the sweet part of it is that once you publish your book, like paperback books, Amazon will take the responsibility of shipping that item to your buyer, okay, wherever they are in the world, in Canada, in US, in UK, Australia, just name it, to about 30 countries. Okay, you don't have to leave the comfort of your home. All you just need to do is to create your book and publish it on Amazon Kindle, and Amazon will take care of the rest. Okay, and for every sale that you make, Amazon will pay you royalties for it. And if you don't make sale, there's something they call royalty payments. Royalty payment is like for publishing your book, for giving us the right to publish your book on your behalf. Amazon take they are kind enough to give you a percentage of every sales they make on Amazon Kindle. Okay, so if you have, for example, 50 books, you can be earning up to $1,000 or more per month. The more book you publish, the higher your royalty payment. Okay, so I'm going to show you the step-by-step method on how to get started, and this video is going to be a tutorial. This is just the introductory part of it, and I'm going to show you different angles to book publishing. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to this video. Make sure you hit the red button below this video to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified for every of my video that I publish on YouTube. So this is going to be a series. I'm going to publish more videos on Amazon Kindle publishing, so make sure you subscribe to be notified on every of these videos that I'll be dropping. Okay, so yes, the table of content. These are the things you will learn in this series of tutorial on Amazon book publishing. First of all, I'm going to give you a quick introduction of book publishing, how to sign up on book publishing websites like Amazon, Publish Drive, Draft to Digital, how to create a bank account to withdraw your fund and your royalties. Okay, book list research, how to do book list research, because a lot of people want to publish book, but they don't know the exact niche to get into. There are niche that sells very well. There are low competition niche that you can get into and start making your dollars right away. Okay, I'm going to show you some of those niche that you can key into now and start making money. Okay, also I'm going to show you the anatomy of best-selling books. You must have heard about best-selling authors like Robert Kiyosaki, T.D. Jakes, Napoleon Hill, and the rest. Those are best-selling authors. Okay, and I'm going to show you what makes their book best-selling. Okay, some are best-selling UK authors, US best-selling authors, and the rest. I'm going to show you why their books are best-selling, and also I'm going to show you how to create author's name. Okay, then also I'm going to show you the secret to getting content to write. And one of the major challenge here is some people will say, yes, Tony, now you're telling us about how to start book publishing, but for crying out loud, I don't know how to get content. Okay, so even if you are not a big author that we know about now, like Robert Kiyosaki and the rest, you can still write books. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get content for your book for free. I mean, absolutely free. I'm going to show you the different niche. These are the niche I'm very much interested in: cook and recipe books, relationship books, low or no content books. This is one of my best-selling books. Okay, I love it so much because you don't need content for this. all you just need to do is to design a book cover and also few text on the book cover. That's all. The rest are just no content. Okay. And also the last one I'm going to show you book promotion tactics, how you can promote your books, because you don't just drop your book on Amazon and expect miracle to happen. Yes, you can make some sale, but if you promote your book, it will actually skyrocket your earnings. Okay, so I'm going to show you all of these step by step, guys. So for you not to miss any of these tutorial, make sure, I repeat, make sure you hit the red button below this video to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Let me just show you. Okay, so if you want to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss, I'm just taking time to do this so you don't miss my subsequent videos on this Amazon training. There are people who will give you this training and charge you every amount of money. I'm going to give you for free. All you just need to do is to smash this subscribe button, okay, and turn on the notification bell, and also don't forget to smash this like button. Okay, so just go over to my channel, multiple stream of income, and of course hit the subscribe button. Okay, say this one has already subscribed, turn on the notification bell like this, and give the video a like this. Okay, and if you have questions, maybe you want to say something like hey Tony, how can I promote? Okay, so how can I promote? And of course I'll just be there to reply your comment. Okay, so all you just need to do is to leave a comment like this, and I'll be there to reply you. Okay, all right. So if I'm able to do these three things, then you will not miss any of my subsequent video on this Amazon training. Okay, on this Amazon training. So just come over to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell, which I have done, and you'll be on your way to learning everything you need to know about Amazon book publishing. Okay, all right. So that is it basically. So like I said, this is just an introductory class, and before I go, let me quickly show you this. Okay, so you can see this is my email, and if you see very well, this one says, let me open this. Okay, let me open this. It says, congratulations, your paperback, a 369 manifestation affirmation journal, is published on Amazon. It's available to buy on Amazon. So if I go on Amazon now, you will see that this book is already on Amazon. So this is how I keep receiving congratulation message for my books, paperback books that I've published on Amazon. And if I scroll down, you see, yeah, this one says it's available on Amazon, like that. And if I should scroll down now, let me zoom this so you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see this one says your KDP royalty payment notification. So this one says this royalty payment notification for sales in the US Kindle. So this is how I receive royalty from Amazon every now and then. If I scroll down, you keep seeing my royalty payments. Okay, so I'm going to show you the step-by-step method on how to earn royalty like this, okay, and how to become a pro. If I keep scrolling, you keep seeing royalty payment, and like that. So you can see this one of my books right now on Amazon. I just published this one yesterday. And by the time I start promoting now, it's a paperback book. You see that's 365 pages, and this book I created it in just less than 30 minutes, in fact 15 minutes. This book was created in less than 15 minutes. And if I should go inside now, you see that this book has no content. Okay, has no content. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step method on how to publish books, sign up on Amazon website and create cookbooks, like I said before, create relationship books, create low content or no content books. In fact, I love this last one because you don't need to start looking for content. It's absolutely sweet, guys, because you don't need to start looking for content. Okay, so I'm going to show you all of that. This is an example of a low content book that I'm talking about. Let's see. Okay, let me open this so you see what I'm talking about. So if you see this book does not have any content. All you just see there is the book cover, and if I scroll into the book now, you see that this does not have any content. It's about 121 pages. This is just your normal notebook that you use in school to take notes, lecture notes, and the rest. So it's called low or no content book because you can see there's no content in this book from page 1 to 121. It's just the cover page, and I'm just going to show you everything, how to create a cover like this and how to create a low content book like this. Okay, how to create covers like this for free. Okay guys, I'm going to show you everything. All you just need to do, like I said, is to hit this subscribe button and you will gain access to every of my videos. Okay, every of my videos. All right, so before I close this introductory part of the video, like I said, it's a tutorial, so it's series. This is just the introduction. But before I close this introduction, let me show you something. These are, if I type this name now, Dr. Olukoya books, and hit the search button, you will see that Dr. Olukoya has a lot of books on Amazon already. You can see this prayer rain, and this book has sold 2,291 copies. So guys, let's do a simple math. Let's say we want to calculate how much this book has earned. All you just need to do is to multiply the amount 0.76 times the volume sold, 2,091. Okay, so let's see. This book has sold $59,016. Only this book, guys. So you can see that I'm just showing the potential in Amazon Kindle book publishing. This book has sold $59,000, and that is not the only book by this author. This is another book by Dr. Olukoya, 101 Weapons of Spiritual Warfare, 773 sold. And if you calculate that one, let's just do a simple calculation. It's sold for 21.92 times 733 equals to $16,000. Can you see that? Just for this book alone. And there are a lot of his books on Amazon Kindle that are selling well. Okay, so you can see why these men are extremely rich, and they can afford to create. They can afford to create. They can afford to create a private university. They can afford to create a private university because they are selling hell of books here. So, and buy private jet and the rest. Okay, so I'm just going to show you exactly how to do this. Okay, so you too can also start earning, even if you are not a prolific author. So before I go, let me tell you about this. There are two types of books on Amazon Kindle. We have fiction books and non-fiction books. Fiction books are books like this. Books that are created out of imagination and the rest. You just imagine things and you create books on it. Books like Lord of the Rings, Merlin, and the rest. Those are fiction books. Why non-fiction books are books like this? Books on, let's say, love tips. Okay, You can see helping gay men find love, blah blah blah. These are non-fiction books. Or better still, you can say something like cookbooks. Okay, so these are non-fiction books. You can see this one says complete cooking for cookbook, 750 recipe for everything you ever, blah blah blah. This book was published April 1, 2014, and this book has sold 7,960 for $20. Okay, this book has sold lot of copies. Okay, so if you scroll down, you see more of cookbooks like this. These are non-fiction books. So I'm going to show you everything, how to create books, like low content books like this, okay, and how to publish them on Amazon and other book publishing websites. Okay, so for you not to miss any of this tutorial, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, hit the red button below this video to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Leave a comment down below and smash the like button. Okay, and you're not going to miss any of my Amazon tutorial videos. Alright guys, so in my next video I'm going to show you how to sign up on these book publishing websites like Amazon, Publish Drive, Draft to Digital, and the rest. Okay, and also how to create a US bank account to withdraw your payments. Okay, and lastly how to do book list research. So I'm going to create videos on each of these table of content, and you're going to learn fast. Okay, so just hang around and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of this tutorial. And so I'm going to end the video here so I do not get too long, and just don't forget to subscribe because I'll be dropping my next video any moment from now. Alright guys, till we meet again, one love. Cheers.